Hi friends, welcome to my channel Law. Today we will learn about the Arabic alphabet DAWD. DAWD is the 15th Arabic alphabet and it has a unique sound which may be confused with the harf dal sound. Let's practice to pronounce the harf DAWD and its sound. Hi, my name is DAWD. My sound looks similar to dal, but it's not. DAWD sound is heavier and thick. DAWD, 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 DAWD. For your understanding, you can spell DAWD in English as D-A-W-D, DAWD. It sounds like the English word paw. So DAWD will make the sound da, 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 da. How to pronounce DAWD? To pronounce DAWD, we will use our tongue and the lower teeth. The two sides and the front part of the tongue, which is behind the tip of the tongue, will touch the inner side of the lower teeth, making DAWD sound. DAWD, da, a, d, DAWD, da, a, d, DAWD, da, a, d, DAWD. The words starting with DAWD are DAWD means frog, Dabr means hyena, and Daw means light. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye friends.